Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make good miso soup step by step. Start by making a clear dashi stock using kombu and bonito flakes or instant dashi powder, then heat gently without boiling. Add cubed tofu and rehydrated wakame, keeping pieces bite-sized. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of miso in a ladle of hot broth and return it to the pot, stirring gently before serving. I'll walk you through ingredient choices and proportions so your miso soup tastes balanced every time. Measure 4 cups of dashi stock, add 2 tablespoons of miso paste, and adjust to taste. Gently heat tofu cubes and rehydrated wakame in the broth, then finish with thinly sliced scallions and a splash of soy if needed. Taste and correct seasoning before serving to ensure harmony. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and transporting broth, tofu, and vegetables tidy and spill-free, perfect for portioning soup components. They nest and stack, saving fridge space and cleanup time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a set if you want easier prep. Now let's get back to the video. Many home cooks make simple mistakes that dull the soup's clarity and depth. Never boil miso, or the flavor will flatten and lose umami. Always dissolve miso in a ladle of warm broth to avoid clumps, then return gently. Be careful with strong ingredients like heavy soy or too many aromatics that overpower the broth. Keep ingredients light, serve immediately, and finish with a quick garnish for lift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.